Yeah, hello.
Sir, I think that one VPC is taking for only one reason. I think maybe so. That is not. That's why it is not created.
Second one is not created.
Yes, yes.
What is the problem?
Don't know, sir, but it is not showing because already I have done all the things here already.
You are searching in the instances, right? Go to VPC.
Yes, yes. See, so not done this here. Sir, VPC is not created for waste reason. I think.
Yeah, come to that script once.
Okay.
Yeah, can you scroll down little bit. Here you didn't use that provider, right? This is for default or
This is default, sir.
yeah, another VPC?
I didn't create. So can I create for another one?
Yes, yes, because you need to use that alias and region also you need to specify here in the resource block.
Okay.
In the resource block,
Uh,
come to that resource, which of the resource you want to create.
okay.
Come to that resource, VPC resource. Yeah, that you need to mention in that resource also. Provider equal to aws.us east or us west.
Again.
In the resource, like in the VPC also, you need to mention that.
Okay.
In that VPC resource also,
Okay. Okay.
that below to cider, you need to start that provider block.
Okay.
And
Below to.
equal also, it should be all should be same.
Okay.
That provider you bring to below to that C.
Okay. Sir, I'm using like Terraform FMT.
Yeah, FMT we can, yeah, format we can use. Okay, then no issue.
Okay.
If you have one provider, we no need to do all this. But when we have the multiple providers, these are the steps we need to perform.
Okay. Sir, for West, how to create VPC?
No, no. In that also create one more resource block for VPC. In that you keep that provider is US West one.
Okay, okay. This is right.
But keep a different name
Okay,
on
okay.
the
No
Terraform
issue.
wise, AWS VPC.
Okay, okay.
So now you are creating separate VPC for each, right? For each
Yes,
provider.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Same,
yes, yes.
same script.
Yeah. Hmm.
Sir, hello.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, second for West EC2 instance is not created. I don't know.
Instance or which one is not created?
West,
VPC
West.
or VPC or
No, instance.
VPC
Only
is
one.
created? Check once.
Yeah.
I think one VPC created in this.
Yes.
You may be using the same key pair name. That key pair may be not existing there.
No, sir. I think I have used different keypad.
But in this region, that key pair should be existing, right?
Yes, yes. I will create another one. I need to change.
Yeah, that key pair try to keep.
Okay. Sir, already there, so can I modify that
Yes,
or
yes,
like?
modify again, plan and apply.
Okay, okay, okay.
That image ID may be other region one.
Other reason one.
Exact for this region, what is the AMI ID? Copy that one.
Okay.
This region AMI ID copy.
Yes, sir. Already I have copied and mentioned
Where you have pasted that?
in resource.
Yeah, come to that one.
Uh, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Created one. Another one is.
Yes, yes. Again, explain the code completely. Explain once again.
Okay.
So what you have done, Terraform destroy once.
Okay.
Again, explain the code and again perform those. First, do the Terraform destroy.
Okay. Yes, sir. First, I have created two like regions. One is east one, second one is west one. So in that, I have taken providers AWS one and yeah. So sir, created for that two pieces. Hello.
Yeah, please explain.
Yes, yes. Sir,
Please,
I am saying.
everyone understand. Here, what we are doing is normally we'll use one provider, but we want to use multiple like a cloud providers like AWS one resource, Azure, or in AWS itself, I want to use two different accounts or two different regions. In that use case, we are going to use multiple providers.
Yes, yes. So that's why I created two VPC for two instance. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, please explain.
Yes, and also two subnet I have created, sir. So for one, yeah. So for one instance, I have queried one EMI ID from block, and for second, I have copied from that particular region. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyone have doubts on this?
I mean, can we use one VPC for both the regions?
No, no, it's not possible
It's
because
over.
VPC
Okay.
and EC2 are region scope itself.
Oh, okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
this is also for real time. Also, we can't do. We can't use no for one
Yes, yes, we
VPC.
can use.
In real time they can use, huh?
Which one?
For no, for real time user they can use only one VPC or not?
No, no. In even real time also one VPC only within the region.
Okay, okay, okay,
Other region VPC we can't use it
okay, okay.
because the scope is only region level itself for the VPC.
Yes, yes, yes.
Azure also same thing. Only GCP is giving global kind of VPCs.
Okay.
Okay. So now, so can I stop or like?
Yeah, destroy that and again create these all.
Okay, okay.
I think you already destroyed, Manoj.
Yeah. Sir, done.
Is
Sir.
created, yeah, terminated, right? Again create it. Is it created again?
Yes, yes, yes. Just I have created, sir.
Okay, say come to that Terraform once. Terraform show you type.
Okay.
Say come to Terraform. Okay, so now what we are doing is one important use case. Every interview will ask us. So we have the state file, right?
Yes, yes.
Can you rename that state file to something or maybe delete that state file? Go to ls.
Okay.
Say go to that ls. You are in Windows mission, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So then you are in which workspace that is?
Sorry.
No, no. Check all the files. What are the files we have in that workspace?
Okay. main.tf, output.tf, and plan.tf plan.
Okay.
Terraform.
That rename that file either manually or in the Windows.
Uh,
That state file is the right Terraform.tf state
okay.
that you rename to Terraform.state one or something.
Okay.
The Terraform.tf state. Custom.tf state you kept, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So now try to run it again, Terraform plan.
Okay.
So now what we are doing is our state file we don't have. What is the problem we'll get is our configuration files will assume again we don't have the resources. It tries to provision the resources. Again, do the Terraform plan.
Okay.
Yeah, what it is showing. So 6 resources it is again adding, right?
Yes.
Because it is assuming if we don't have the state file, can you tell me what is the problem we are getting? If we don't
Means
have the state
we
file, what
can't.
is the problem we are getting?
So means we can't update multiple like providers or
No,
like.
no. Each and every time apply will create duplicate of resources.
Okay.
Okay. If you don't have the state file, each and every time apply will create duplicate kind of resources.
Okay.
In the production, it is a problem. That is the reason these resources is already existing. Okay. Now again rename that state file into back to that state file.
Okay.
After that renaming, what about others? Have got that? What is the problem if you lost the state file in the production environment? What is the problem we are getting? What is the problem we are getting? So if we lose the state file, we are getting duplicate kind of error we are getting. Say duplicate kind of error we are getting.
No, Shrikant, when we apply, right? So will the instance is going to be created
Yes, yes,
again, or
again it
like it?
will be created.
But
Because
the names are already existing,
no,
right? The
no, those
instance.
names, Terraform state is knowing those.
Okay.
But AWS wise, that name is a small tag.
Mm-hmm.
If it
Okay.
is
But
resources
IDs will be different.
S3, yes, yes, S3,
Mm-hmm.
if it is, maybe duplicate name it may throw. That depends
True.
upon the resource.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
it's risky, right, in the production.
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
Okay, now if you see, again he modified, right? No changes because the actual resource and here also that there is no difference. Are able to get that?
Yeah.
Okay, then go to like actual resources you go. So whatever we are discussing are very important from the interview. Instead of telling theoretically, we are seeing practically all this. No, no. Go to AWS.
Okay.
Go to any of that instance. Change that name, like whatever you have given in that. Try to change the name to some other name
Okay.
in the instances. Yeah, that Ubuntu change to some other name. So now what is the problem is directly we are doing the change in where we are
Console.
doing the change
Console.
in the
Indirectly on
console.
instance.
Actually, that is not at all recommended. Now, like in the state file, what is the name we have is previous name itself would be there. Okay, so now you try to do Terraform plan.
Okay.
So try to do the Terraform plan. What happens? We'll see. In the production also, without plan, directly don't apply in the production.
Okay.
Now, 0 to add, 1 to change, and 0 to destroy. What's happening is, like in the configuration file, we have different name, but actual resource is
Custom
different
instance.
name. Okay. So now we just run the Terraform plan, right? See from Terraform state file, run Terraform show.
Okay.
So just Terraform show you run. Yeah, check the name. What is the name we have as of now?
Ubuntu, right?
No, in the show it will go little up. What
I
is the
think here
name?
only, here only. It's Ubuntu only showing, right?
Which one? No, no,
Ubuntu.
not that,
Mm.
not that.
Come down.
Scroll down.
Manoj, please come down.
Okay.
In the tag, that name is Ubuntu.
Ubuntu, yeah.
Okay, what we have in that? Okay, now do Terraform refresh.
Okay.
Run the command Terraform
Refresh.
refresh. So what refresh will do is, if actually that resource is existing in the state file, it is going to perform that change and it is bringing those details also. Now do the Terraform show.
Okay.
Again, check the tags, what the tags we have.
Okay.
This is Amazon.
So what is the name it got?
No, this is Amazon. We need to check for Ubuntu. This one. Custom
Custom
instance.
instance.
Custom instance. That means what refresh done? Can you tell me? The actual changes is bringing to
State file.
State
state
file.
file. Again, do Terraform apply.
Okay.
So if you do Terraform apply again, what is going to happen? Can you guess?
I think
Because in the
no.
configuration file, what we have Ubuntu only, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
That will modify to again that. Okay, that's you can confirm in Terraform plan.
Okay.
Do Terraform plan once.
Custom instance to Ubuntu. Again, it is changing to Ubuntu.
Yeah, because in the configuration, what are the details we have? Those all details we are going to get it into.
Again, state file will get
Into
updated,
the
right?
state file
With
will get updated. So that means
so
all the
here
scripts,
only
yeah.
tag will get changed, right? So instance is not going to create. Only
No,
tag
no,
will get.
no, no. Because that say
Hmm.
here, what is mapping is come to that resource specification. That you come to that notepad. Say here AWS instance dot Amazon is the name.
Hmm.
Okay, you try to change it to Amazon one in the script in main.tf. You change to Amazon one. In the real time, we shouldn't do all this because it's a production environment. For the testing environment, we are doing all this. No, not here, not in the tag. Yeah, tag is also is fine. Okay, but that resource AWS instance beside we have the name right from the Terraform wise that is the name.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's change in your script in main.tf you change in the yeah this is
Yeah.
the file only right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, save that.
Yes.
Yeah, then can you guess what is going to happen? That existing resource Amazon is there right now. Terraform will assume that is deleted.
Destroy and create new
Yeah,
one, right?
one create is created new one. Now the name is Amazon one from the Terraform base.
So Amazon will be destroyed and
Amazon will be
Amazon will be
destroyed
created.
because that is not in the configuration file, right?
Hmm.
So that is the reason it is going to be destroyed.
Hmm.
Yeah, do that Terraform plan.
Okay.
Hmm.
That Amazon you ran, right? That it changed to Amazon one in the output values.
Yeah, he
Yes, sir.
updated.
I have changed.
Okay, okay.
One to add,
Now
one to
one to add,
change,
one to change, one to
to destroy.
Want to
destroy.
destroy.
Yeah, try to perform this. The
Okay.
destroy is Amazon is going to destroy.
Okay.
If you don't want this S option, then we need to use a hyphen hyphen auto hyphen
Apply.
approve. Approve.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's created one.
Yeah,
Was one.
that's terminated and it will create a one more
Yes.
Instance.
Instance.
instance. That you got it right from the name wise. Amazon one is that previously Amazon is there.
Yes.
The remaining that is going to be stored in state file also.
Mm.
Now, how many resources we have?
Total.
Two resources we have, right?
Yes. Yes. Sir.
Now, can you tell me in which use case you are going to use refresh and which use case you are going to use import?
Refresh means when we made the changes
Already
at the
that
console
resource is
level.
there in the state file. That resource is there,
Mm.
but some modifications are done. Previously, that instance is existing, but only some modifications we have performed. At that moment, we are doing
Refresh.
refresh, but that Terraform doesn't know about that resource. It's created only physically. At that moment, we are going to use Terraform refresh. Okay. So now, like, do one thing. How many instances are there, Manoj?
Two instances, sir.
Yeah,
For
if I
AS
do
com,
Terraform destroy, what is going to happen?
it's all
All
instance and it is
resources, but only one particular resource I want to destroy. Okay, so in that use case, try to do Terraform destroy hyphen target option.
okay.
So what is the purpose we are using target?
Destroying the
Only for one
Only
particular.
instance.
one particular, yeah, hyphen target equal to. Okay, so what is that name of the instance is AWS dot instance.
Okay.
AWS dot instance. AWS
Equals.
AWS underscore, sorry.
Okay.
Dot Amazon one. Yeah, enter. This is the complete name of that resource.
Okay. Okay. It means only one instance can be
Yeah,
destroyed.
only because if I use Terraform destroy, all resources are getting
It's all destroyed. All
destroyed. But if I
instances are
use this option, what is going to happen is
means which instance we want to destroy that we can do.
that resource only is getting destroyed.
Destroy.
The one resource is getting destroyed.
Destroy.
You got it right.
Yes. Yes.
So these all very important. So we need to understand the difference between the actual resources, the state file resources, and configuration wise. All the
Yes.
three should be in the sync. If all are in the sync, we don't have any problem. Otherwise, we need to make sure those should be in the sync.
Yes.
Okay, in your script, explain those output values, what you have declared output values.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, in that script, explain the output values.
So I have mentioned here Ubuntu, which is I have taken
Output, what is the keyword to declare those output values?
like
Output itself is the keyword.
yes. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Manoj, can you please attach your main.tf file here
Where? Here.
So the
in the
chat.
chat? In the chat. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Do you have interview? No. Class. Uh, Ashwin.
Hmm.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Uh,
Manoj.
I will share that in group.
Group is fine. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So can I stop now or like?
Yeah. So what we're trying to do?
Sorry.
That particular resource you have destroyed, right?
Yes,
Again,
yes,
if I
yes.
do Terraform apply, what happens?
So I think it shows only
It will
one.
create, no, because that is there in the configuration file, right?
Yes.
Again, it will create a new resource.
Okay. Can I try one?
Yeah, that's why with the plan you can check.
Okay. So now Terraform apply?
Yeah, no, what it is showing, Terraform plan. It is one is adding, right?
Yes, yes.
What is that one is adding is that resource is getting again created because it's there in the configuration file. If you no
Yes.
longer require that, even remove from the in that main.tf also.
Okay.
Because now we deleted only from the Terraform state file only.
Right.
Okay, if we no longer require that, we can delete it from
Terraform state also.
no, from the configuration file. Go to the configuration file and remove that Terraform block.
Okay.
That only that resource block you delete.
Okay. Sir, this is
Yeah, that block you remove.
sorry.
That block you remove.
This one, na? Okay.
Yes. That output also you need to remove that output reference.
Yes, yes.
So now it's nothing to change because all are in the sync itself.
Yes.
Now keep that again resource block again.
Okay.
Yeah, keep count equal to 2
Okay.
below to AMI. Yeah, there also is fine. Count equal to 2.
Okay.
Space.
Okay.
Yeah, after that again do the Terraform apply or plan first. Now again, two resources are getting created. Two to add, zero to change, zero to.
Destroy.
That is the purpose we have the count purpose. Multiple resources, you no need to specify that multiple resource blocks.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So these we'll do in the next session.
Sure, sir.
So we have the count for each, all that we'll discuss in the tomorrow session.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. What about others?
Sir, can I destroy now all session?
Yes, yes, destroy.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
So these all initially Terraform looks tough, but if you are comfortable, Terraform looks easy for us when we are managing a group of resources.
Okay, sir.
When we are managing group of resources, okay, so Terraform will manage those resources.
Okay. Sir, but some of the interviews are asking for Terraform TF state. So at that point, we can explain these things, na?
But we don't use this in the real time. We will use a remote backend only.
Okay.
So we don't keep locally state file.
Okay.
So that's we'll discuss in the next sessions.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So everyone need to contribute like this. Then we'll get 10 scenarios in one day itself. I hope you got it right. If everyone contributes, we can cover more scenarios. Only one or two people are contributing. But if everyone contributes 10 times, we can become more stronger. Okay. What about Satish, Ashok? Please tell me something. Okay. Sure. Tomorrow we'll discuss remaining things.
Sure, sir.